Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In my previous session, I showed you people how to watch YouTube inside smart TV. For watching YouTube, you need internet, right? For a connection of internet, so in this session, I am going to show you people that how to connect internet from my smartphone to the smart TV. Okay. So in that, basically, in this my mobile, I will go to my settings. In these settings, you can have options like about phone, system apps, updater, security status, SIM cards, mobile networks. So select just portable hotspot. So in that, you have all the hotspot settings, friends. So in the first option, portable hotspot, uh, you need to switch on that one. Uh, After switching it on, now the internet, the network is being connected from my smartphone to the smart TV. uh, so after all settings from your smartphone, uh, now take the TV remote handset. You can see here friends, the home button, just press it, and we will focus on the smart TV screen. You can see here we have options like all apps, favorites, media, settings. So in settings we have again two options like system settings, customer support. Select system settings. So under that you have again a lot of options like sound, screen, channel setup, parental lock, setup, echo. So friends, we are actually our main aim of our session today is to do connection from smart mobile to the smart TV. Okay, so internet connection. For internet connection, we will go under setup. So network. Uh, Again, we have a lot of options like privacy policy, photo frame settings, USB auto start, info banner, clock timers, auto startup, language, startup logo, LED indicator, AB setup. So we will forget all these things, friends. Just we will focus on this network. So under network, we will get some options like network setup, IPv6, IPv4 parity, built-in Wi-Fi, device name, refresh internet content, home network setup. So first we have to set up the network from mobile to the TV. Okay, so we will select this network setup. So under network setup, you can see here friends, network setup allows you to access content on your home network and internet. Okay, so under that you have again two options like setup network connection and view network setting and status. Okay, so we will select second option like setup network connection. Here it will ask you please select how to set up your network. So under that you can see here friends, we have again two options like easy, expert. Okay, we will select easy. So under easy you have like it will ask you please choose how to set up wireless network if your router does not support Wi-Fi protected setup, WPS, select scan. Okay, we are not using here a router anyhow. Okay, so we will just scan. You can see here on the TV screen friends, searching for the available network, wireless networks, please wait. So now my TV screen, in TV it is showing that it is searching the network. The network that is from the mobile, uh, it is getting connected to the smart TV. So it will take some time. We will wait. Yes, you can see here. Please select a network from the list below or manual entry to enter a network name. And second one, please refer to the manual of your router to find your wireless network name. Anyhow, we are not using router, so we will go under first option itself. So in if you follow that option, first option, you can see here friends like Redmi Note 7 and rest all networks that is detected by my smart TV. So you can select Redmi Note 7. This is my mobile. Okay, just enter the password, security password, and then select. You can watch on the TV screen connecting to the network. Please wait. Yes, finally you can see here friends on the TV screen that my network from the mobile is connected successfully to the internet. Okay, it is showing like you can see here a wireless device on the TV found and local access found. Okay, and internet access. Okay, after all this just select OK. Yes, this is what the procedure for the connecting internet from mobile to the smart TV. Friends, now my network is connected, so I need to confirm whether it is connected or not. So for that purpose, what I will do, I will take my again the remote handset. Okay, just press home. So again I press home. Yes friends, on the TV screen you can see here we have the options all apps, favorites, media, settings. Okay, now we need to just confirm whether the internet is connected or not. So go to the all apps. In my TV you can see the apps like Netflix, YouTube, browser, FM radio, photo frame, photo sharing. Okay, so I will go in YouTube. It will take some time to catch my mobile network connection to my smart TV. Okay, that is what processing. Yes, it's finally connected now. So we have a search friends. Just we will play some guitar cover, some instrumental song. Just have a watch it. Okay. Some manual errors. Okay, it's okay. So you can listen this instrumental cover song. It's very acoustic to listen. Yes, friends, we will wind up our session today. This is what I want to show you, you people, the connection from my smartphone to my smart TV. So, if you have some questions, you can leave comments in the comment section. If you like this video, give me just one like. If you gain something, if you want like these videos in future also, just subscribe my channel. If it is informative, you can share this video to your friends also. Thank you.